Meaning of drowse.
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 Drowse. Drowse refers to a state of being half asleep or sleepy. It is a feeling of being lethargic and inattentive, often accompanied by a lack of focus and reduced ability to concentrate. People experiencing drowsiness may have difficulty staying awake and may feel like they need to nap or rest. The effects of drowsiness can be dangerous, as it can impair driving and other activities that require alertness. Drowsiness can be caused by a variety of factors, including sleep deprivation, medication side effects, and certain medical conditions.